You might think breaks cause creative block, but usually it's not the break. It's the unclear restart. When you stop without deciding what happens next, your brain has to redecide everything later. That feels heavy, so you avoid it. The simple idea is this: before you stop, leave yourself a clear next action. That's the return line. There are three parts to understand. First, stopping is normal. Creative energy comes in waves. If you ever pause, you burn out. So breaks are healthy. Second, uncertainty creates friction. If you return and don't know where to begin, your mind hesitates. Even small uncertainty can feel big. Third, clarity reduces pressure. If you come back and see one clear instruction, you don't need motivation. You just follow it. For example, if you stop painting and your last memory is, I was kind of working on the background, that's vague. It feels fuzzy. But if you leave a note that says, next, add darker blue to the top left corner, that's clear. You don't think. You just do it. That's the power of the return line. Here's the simple flow you'll use. First, write one clear next action before you take a break. Next, make that action small and specific. Then, shape it into a friendly restart message. This works because it removes the biggest hidden obstacle: not knowing how to begin again. In simple words, breaks don't cause blocks. Unclear restarts do. If breaks keep turning into creative block, you're not alone. And now you know why it happens and how it prevents it. So if you want me to guide you through the full step-by-step version of this, where I explain everything slowly with real examples, you can take the whole class free for a month using my link below. And it continues right from here so you don't lose your momentum. Plus thousands of other creative classes for a month, including drawing, painting, and design. Before you go, you're welcome to leave a quick comment. Even one word like clear or helpful is enough. It helps more beginners discover this video. And my question is, what usually happens right after you take a break? If you have any questions, leave them there too. I read them and I'm happy to help. Thank you so much for watching. If this helped you, you can gently like the video. Feel free to share it with someone who needs a calmer restart, and subscribe so you don't miss the next one.